Welcome back, viewers, to our lovely kitchen, the AI Chef's Deluxe studio, where we whip up all the best recipes. I'm here with Chef Kevin. Happy to see you, Chef.
It is good to be here, Chef David. And just to remind everybody, our recipes really use food puns, but they're really tips and tricks on how you can get more from your AI tools. So, Chef David, what recipe are we going to whip up in this beautiful kitchen today?
Yeah, this is we're stretching the pun on this one. This is our conscious choice chowder, but I do like a good chowder. But it's nice to know what's in the chowder, be able to kind of rate everything and make a good decision on your chowder. Okay, it's a bit of a stretch. Well, what this tip is really about is I use AI all the time to give me a list of 5 things, give me a list of 10 things, and I'll pick out the one I want. I sometimes have to tweak it. I come up with myself, especially for like YouTube titles. Give me 10 ideas for the title for this video. But sometimes, I get indecisive even looking at the 10. I need something to help me decide. So what it is, let's go to in the prompt. So here's an example. I've written a blog post about the benefits of a 4-day work week. Generate 5 titles for it. But then I said, create a markdown table evaluating each title on a scale of 1 to 5 for intrigue, clarity, and professionalism. So give me something to rate it on. So let me scroll up here. It gave me the 5 titles. And for each title, a number for intrigue, clarity, professionalism. So what I'm really caring about is intrigue. I want people to see this. I want people to click on this. This is for YouTube. And it also has good clarity and professionalism. So already I know this one, before I even read it, this one's probably going to be one that I like. And then I read it. Actually, it is one that I like. And, at the end of the day, these are AI generated numbers. This is all meaningless. This is just something to look at and make me feel better about making my decision. I'm not saying do the math on this and go with the higher number ones. I'm not saying, I'm not saying there's anything to this at all, actually. But you know what? I use this because it makes me feel better about my decision. It makes it easier for me to make my decision. I feel like I have more information. I feel like I'm going with more.
Well, what I like about it is it avoids the analysis paralysis. So whether or not the numbers, they mean something, I don't know exactly what they mean, but if it helps you, this is a great tip, and it will hopefully be a recipe that some of our audience will use to avoid option overload.
This is one I actually am using, so let me know in the comments if you're using this or if it's just me. If it's just me, it's okay. But I think some of you might like this, might like our chowder, right? Our conscious choice chowder.
Our conscious choice chowder. Yep, that sounds great. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Thank you, Chef Kevin, and we'll see you in the next recipe.